Good evening, everybody, or good morning, depending on when this airs. I am Z James. This is Z32 Workshop, and this is my parts car, which is a 1993 Nissan 300ZX Convertible. That's a mouthful. Today's going to be another short episode. I'm doing a couple of short ones. Last one I did the tumbler, key switch, ignition switch, showing that how to get off the steering rack, which was actually pretty cool. This time, doing another little one, I'm going to take off the pressure sensor on the high side of the power steering line. Let me show you what that looks like. There is a sensor. This is a power steering pump. I already got it off the car, just like this line. Line's shot, I'm going to replace it on that other car. But what I want is this sensor. So we're going to take that off right now. So let me get this into the vise, get some tools, and we'll just take it apart. Should be able to do that in real time. Like I said, real short, easy video today, guys. Alright guys, I got this set up in my vise. Just because it's easier than it's off the car. 19 millimeter. Come on. And lickety split. And I am hanging onto this because this is just the sensor for the power steering pump. Nothing fancy, nothing difficult. That's it. 19 millimeters, should take that right on off. I'm hanging on to it because, well, good sensor is a good sensor. And if you ever need one, I'd rather have one in hand than not. So that's going to do it for that. So, all right, 19 millimeter, takes it off. I put it in a vise. You should be able to get this off while it's in car. That wasn't on there too extraordinarily difficult. Sorry about that, guys. I know that was a short one. Just something I needed to get done. Thought I'd show you guys where it was at. Like again, you should be able to do that in car. I don't know what's going to be in the way, but that is a sensor that you got to have. It tells the car something. I'm not sure exactly, but it does. So it tells for the steering and the inputs because it's speed sensitive steering, if I remember correctly. So like I said, that's on the high pressure side of the power steering line. Should be up front underneath the bottom side. Now when those sensors do go bad, you see them, connectors go bad, wiring frays, so you'll have to replace them. So that's going to do it for today's episode, guys. It's nothing real short, sweet. I'm trying to keep these underneath 5 minutes for these small ones. Like I said, I drop content daily. So like I said, I'm trying to get stuff stacked up here so I can get this car out of the way. But once again, I am Z James. This is Z32 Workshop. And I hope you're working on your car projects just like I am every day. Because that's how things get done sometimes. Not on a full weekend, but you know what? Every morning or afternoon, if you get an hour, you can spend a little time on it. I do the project. So I'll see you guys in the comments, or I'll see you tomorrow morning. Take care.